Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Hey guys, what's going on? Sylvia here. Today is race number 1 for Old Birds 2024, guys. It is my only second season racing Old Birds. These that you're watching is of course my Young Birds 2024. And they're not all mine. I got some birds from 2 fantastic lofts as well. I'll show you them in 2 brief clips here in a minute. But yeah, I'm excited. I got 10 birds in the first Old Bird race today. And so they got let go at 7:05 a.m. and they should be here probably in another hour. So we'll see how they do. I don't have my expectations too high for this race. I've been training them, but I don't think they are win ready. Nonetheless, we are always excited to see the birds coming back, so stand by. And here are 6 youngsters. 6 really nice birds from Jason Jordan. They came to join Team Atis, and we are happy to have them. They arrived today being Thursday the 11th, and they got some lemonade, pink lemonade. That's water with some vitamins. And they got food, they got grit, and yeah, they look good. They look good. They look good, Jason. Thank you. And look at here, guys. I got 4 new birds. 4 more reinforcements for Team Atis. These 4 gorgeous birds come from Adrian P. I know the camera is not giving them any justice here, but in due time, you'll see them in due time. And look at that beautiful red check. Yeah. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Good job, 5508. Come on, get up there. Why didn't that thing beep? Come on, go in. Hop, hop. Good job. None of them beeped. Shit. Go in, buddy. Come on. So here I just wanted to go and see the timestamp of when I finished the clip, and all the birds went over the pad on or before 9:47. And so doing the math, distance times the speed, my first 3 birds would have done 1796 or better yards per minute. Bummer. Let's go, boy. Come on. Let's go. 1544. Let's go. 1545. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. 1545. Let's go. Let's go. Hop on there. Come on, buddy. Hop, hop, hop. Let's go. Let's go. Good job. Come on. Let's go, girl. You were my board bird. You came in number 5. Let's go. Get in. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Good job. Good job, my number 1. 5508. Mussolini. Good job. Good job, number 2. Fabry. That's a hen. And good job there, number 3, but where is he? He's over here. Hey man, why didn't you want to go in first? You landed first. Good job. Good job, guys. Come on. Come on, let's go, buddy. Hop on there, come on. Good job. Let's go, 1544. Get in there. Come on. Hop on there. Hop on there. Good job. Good job. You're thirsty. Drink up on the posh. Man, I can't believe I lost 10 minutes. The stupid clock, man. Unreal. It is what it is. So I got my 5508. He was there much earlier, 940 something, but oh well. That's my Mussolini. 225 is my Fabry. 5628 is my old line Jensen. 1545 is my Joel Locke Wolverine. 5536 is my little Glyson Albert Derwa. 82871 is my Van de Pasch, and 1544 is my Jan Arden. Waiting on 3 more. My Tiger Grizzle. 1428. 1408 is my Joalaka, and 416 is my Blackbird. Alright, eat up, eat up. All you can eat buffet, all you can eat buffet. Come on. Eat up. Restore your energy. So, I have a pair that's that hen here in the center in the nest. She's on eggs, and I raced both her and her man right here, my Van de Pasch. She came first, and the funny thing is that the cock stole the eggs from this pair, and they both sit on eggs. He sits over there, and she sits over here. It's the weirdest thing. I've never seen anything like it. All day. All day. And so those two race on eggs. I have my 5508, my first one there at the start right there. These are racing on babies right there. Simply because it just happened that way. That, I wanted to get another round off of him, and then he's gonna race on eggs. That's the hand right there. Going forward, and then my old line Jensen, my silver cock right there. He's racing on eggs with this hen here. I got my Joalaka Wolverine cock. He's in this box here. They don't have eggs, but that's his girlfriend right there. So he's gonna end up racing on eggs. Next, I have my 5536 hen, Albert Durber, little Clyson right there. She's paired up with that cock right there also. And they're on babies right there, and then they're gonna go to eggs. And next week, instead of sending her, I will send the dad right there, him. They're both my South Section champion birds of 2021. Same points, so they're equal first. So I'm gonna alternate them racing. And then I have my Jen Harden cock. He's on a baby right now, under there. And then he's gonna race on eggs. I do have 1408, which is my Joe Alaka cock. He's on babies. I'm still waiting for him to come. I have 1428, which is my Tiger Grizzle. He's not paired up with anyone. And 416, my Block cock. He's on eggs with that hen over there. So, waiting on those three. Oh, almost got you. Come on, buddy. Let's go, 1408. Your wife is waiting. Your kids are waiting. Come on. Let's go. You're late. With all this wind in your favor, and you came late? Come on. You can do better. I want to see better next week. Let's go. Get in there. Come on. Good job, 1408. This should have been an easy peasy race, man. But good job nonetheless, buddy. Go drink up. Good job. Did you stop somewhere? Well, you didn't stop for water because you just came for water. But you probably went somewhere else. Your navigation skills need a little tune-up, man. Next week, you better redeem yourself. Alright, guys, it's 11:30. I got 8 out of 10. It's time to go to the club and face the reality. Hey, guys. So I'm back from the club. I'm in the young bird section. It's a really nice day out. I am going to take out the drop trap out, which by the way was given to me by Denzel Loft, Steve. Thank you, Steve. Appreciate it, man. Got 3 nice entrances for the birds. Less hesitation. I saw he did one on his loft, and I saw it on his YouTube video. If you're not a subscriber to his channel yet, check him out. Denza Loft, D-A-N-Z-A Loft. He's got nice videos, so I encourage you to check it out. But I'm gonna remove it so that the birds can go out. All right, so it's now opened. They can fly to that perch and go outside. And I'm gonna give them a few minutes and see who wants to go out. All right, and here they are. Now they can go in and out as they please, when they please. They can go up on the roof and see much better 360. Even though on the sides they only see the house, which is not bad. And over here they see the side of the house. But they can get to see down the street and to the back of my yard here, vans and the garage. And but yeah, I'm gonna give time for Adrian P's and Jason Jordan's birds to get used to the area, feel the loft, their home, and probably a week from now we'll give it a go. My birds have been out a couple of times. I already lost, I want to say 4 birds, even though I haven't really gone and checked, but I know 3 for sure, but I think it was 4. But all right, let's take a look at the results. So I got my blockcock back. He went on his eggs, but before he did, he decided to have a fight. Still had all that energy left for being last. Decided to have a fight with my kettle cock here, because the black bird at that top spot there, as he bred there, and now he's fighting this guy for wanting to go there with that hen. So now this is what I was talking about before. This cock here is paired with that hen, and he stole the eggs from this pair, and now he sits on the eggs all day. She sits on their own eggs all day, although of course those eggs won't match. But yeah, it's one of those things. So we have Kevin in first place with speeds of 1795.6 yards per minute. Congratulations. Then John Manuis took the next 4 spots. The speeds as you see it. Congratulations, John. And then I took 6th spot, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. And then 17th and 31st, and that's it on the list. But man, with 1796 yards per minute, I would have had my 3 birds, number 1, 2, and 3. But rookie mistake, guys, rookie mistake. Always make sure that the antenna is working. And if you don't, it can cost you the race like it cost me today. But we'll go at it again next week, guys. Stay tuned. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. And fly them with purpose, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.